Welcome to our lash lift reversal tutorial. You might think reversing a lash lift sounds tricky, but it's actually quite simple. Follow along and we'll show you how to do it safely step by step. Our model recently had a lash lift, but she wanted to return her lashes back to a straighter shape so she could get lash extensions done. First, we're going to prep the eye pads as usual to secure the bottom lashes. Then, we'll apply step 1, Relax Cream, onto the eye pads. Relax Cream already has a thicker consistency, so it shouldn't seep into the eyes. But if you want a little more control, you can mix in a small amount of Refine Gel or viscosity powder. Gently brush the lashes downward. There's no exact timing guide for lash lift reversal, as everyone's lash condition and damage level are different. Since the lashes are being processed again, we want to keep the timing as short as possible. As you continue brushing downward, you'll start to see the lashes laying flatter on the pad. Keep gently brushing until you no longer see any lashes sticking up. Try to avoid touching the eyelid skin as much as possible. However, because this model had her lash lift done very recently, we did need to touch the skin slightly. Reset is quite gentle compared to some other systems, so a small amount of contact is usually okay. In this case, our model didn't experience any irritation. Once the lashes look softened, apply Revive Cream straight away. There's no need to wipe with water first. Leave Revive Cream on for around 2 to 3 minutes. It's okay if Revive touches the lash line, as it can help soothe the area and reduce the risk of irritation. After 3 minutes, apply Step 2 Reform Cream and leave it on for 4 minutes. This is the minimum processing time needed for Step 2 to work. It doesn't have to be perfect, but while applying Step 2 cream, try to keep the lashes sitting straight so the final result looks cleaner. Once the time is up, clean the eye area thoroughly. To finish, apply Silk Protein Aftercare Serum. Because the lashes have been processed again, they may feel a little more fragile. We recommend your client uses a lash growth serum or aftercare serum for the next few weeks to help keep the lashes healthy until the new growth comes through or until their next lift. We usually recommend waiting at least 6 to 8 weeks before doing another lash lift. Thanks so much for watching.